I think there's a massive opportunity, especially for more mid-sized companies,
Uh-huh.
to free up capital to grow. And what I mean is that these tools are actually starting to be able to do the work that humans could do, or tasks, let's say, that they would do, which then enables you to focus on growing the business, right? How do I acquire more customers? How would I support more customers and so on? And the framework that we've talked about is we call this crawl, walk, run, but also thinking about it at the individual level, maybe at the team level and the organization level, and really pursuing all those really at once. And to really get to the crawl stage through, a 2 to 4 week sort of, if you're really focused, it's possible to get through that in sort of a 2 to 4 week pace or time frame, where you're learning the basics of it, assuming you haven't done these things already. ChatGPT, how do you set them up for enterprise, or Claude, and or Gemini, depending on the space that you're already in? How do you start at the basic level with those tools very quickly within a month or so? You want to really move on to sort of the walk phase, and we want to. And to me, those are things like, how do I use these tools to generate presentations, to generate financial models, to evaluate financial models, and to do much more sophisticated work that we all do as individuals in our respective companies? Your mind would be blown if you could see, if you try, for example, Stu mentioned Claude Cowork and its ability to build presentations and spreadsheets and take a bunch of spreadsheets and put them together very quickly on the fly is massively impressive. And then the final sort of one, but the final stage, but this ultimate stage that we really want trying to get people to is around the run stage. And that is having agents that are proactively helping us sort out financial allocations, or agents that are helping us handle support calls, or agents that are doing work, that are doing tasks and accomplishing meaningful tasks. And it's important to approach that thoughtfully and to look at not just slapping AI on maybe an existing process, but looking at the capabilities of these platforms and reinventing the process in a way that really takes advantage of the capabilities of that platform. So that's sort of the gamut of, and the series that I would take people through to make their way from just getting started to really maximizing the value from these tools.